Hi everyone, I'm Tianwei from Mila Quebec AI Institute. This is my work during internship in AI2 with Kiana, Ehsani, Luca, Weihs, and Jordi Salvador. The work is on towards disturbance-free visual mobile manipulation. Embodied AI agents are very powerful at many tasks, such as visual navigation and visual manipulation. In this work, we focus on visual mobile manipulation, which is a combination of those. Current evaluation metric mainly considers success rate, but largely ignores the collision avoidance, which can be very severe in mobile manipulation. For example, in ManipulaTHOR, the agent can successfully complete the episode, but pushes several objects off and makes the scene disarray. So we develop our method on the baseline approach, the DDPPO, and this work we introduce disturbance avoidance into embodied AI. So we formulated this as a penalty term in reinforced learning, which discourage agents to move any object that is not related to their goal. And direct approach, which trains the RL from penalty, fails in both unconstrained RL and constrained RL, possibly because the disturbance avoidance can be viewed as a conflicting objective that hinders the main task, and the agent is easily to get stuck in a bad local optimum. So this work instead proposes a curriculum learning approach where in the first stage, the agent trains on the original task reward to allow it to freely explore to solve the main task, where in the second stage, the agent fine-tune on the penalized reward for safety. We also introduce an accelerate task to predict disturbance for sample efficiency. So we conduct experiments on the arm point nav task in the ManipulaTHOR simulator. And in this task, agent given the object position and the goal position and depth map to sequentially perform the mobile manipulation. And our method is task agnostic, which means it can also generalize to other tasks. We report our method in the main metric as the success rate without disturbance and also success rate. And all the result is on the unseen room plans with unseen objects for generation purpose. So the first result shows that accelerate tasks can improve sample efficiency. Now, in the first block, we first improve our baseline without accelerate task, which named as new compared to original. And you can see the accelerate task, either CPCA, inverse dynamics, and disturbance prediction. They both have higher success rate in 20-minute regime. And the second result is training from scratch with penalty very poor. In the second and the third block, you can see both the unconstrained IO and the constrained IO, they have a very much worse success rate than the first block. And the main result is the curriculum learning training achieves the highest success rate without disturbance. Now you can see in the last block, this fine-tune approach reaches the highest SRWOD in the last column. So here is a demonstration where the task is to bring the apple from the stove burner to the chair. The left GIF is the baseline approach, which fails and disturbs many objects such as chairs, where our method can achieve task without disturbance. Okay, thank you for watching.